So here we have another question, and that is on Google Merchant Center for drop shipping. Can we run on GMC? Can we upload our products and feeds on Google Merchant Center if you are doing drop shipping? Okay, so the thing is that yes, yeah, I mean you may be surprised to hear this one, but yes, you can run on Google Merchant Center. Uh, in case if you are doing drop shipping, yes, you can run. Okay, but the thing is that you may often feel or you may get suspension error whenever you are trying to do it. It's not because that Google doesn't allow dropshipping. Google does allow it, but you do not know that you are having issues on your website where yeah, an audit and checklist is an audit based on a specific checklist is necessary to figure out why you are not able to run ads for good GMC for dropshipping. Okay, we are a Google partner company, and I have created like many videos on Google checklist, Google Merchant Center checklist, and I discuss about different case studies as well on Google Merchant Center and how you can run your ads for this. So because, but for dropshipping, yes, the truth is that yes, you can run it. But in case if you have any trouble issues, you may feel that your account getting suspended for merchant misrepresentation or any issue, but that is where you are not complying with a specific policy of a Google Merchant Center. But in principle, yes, you can run for GMC for shopping, but often you are going to face issues regarding your product feeds or an error. For those things, our consultation and help is available. Yeah, we provide paid help to get these issues sorted and get you up for Google Merchant Center for dropshipping. We have a detailed checklist, and we do different audits to get your accounts up and running. So in case if you want to work with us, the details you can find in the description of this video in case if you want to work with us. And I hope it answers your question as well. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.